Happy Tuesday, family. I am so sorry. It has been a couple of days since I have came and I have talked to you guys, and I apologize for the angle of this camera. My car mount that's on my windshield, it just doesn't want me to be great, and it keeps falling. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to tighten it up. That way I can actually adjust it. But for some reason right now, I don't know if my phone is too heavy because I have iPhone 8 Plus and this mug is ginormous. But it keeps falling for some odd reason. So I'm going to apologize in advance for the angle of this camera, girl. But I am a little bit peeved off, okay? I am a little bit peeved off because, as you guys know, I actually have Memphis scheduled for this weekend. Unfortunately, which is one of the main reasons why I am so glad, okay? I'm so thankful to God that I am an entrepreneur. I work for myself. I don't have to answer to nobody. The juice man actually put in almost 2 weeks ago to be off this weekend. Unfortunately, his supervisor is telling him that she's not going to be able to approve it because a lot of other people put in to be off this weekend before him, which I don't necessarily think that's true, but you know, that's a horse for another color, okay? But she's telling him that she's not going to be able to give him the days off, and I already know that if he calls in, you know, she's going to have something to say. So, and I'm just really not trying to go to Memphis alone. Now, I just found all of this out yesterday, okay? Yesterday. Now, you knew this, that you could have told this man that you weren't going to be able to give him this weekend off. You could have told him this, and maybe I could have tried to plan something else. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I could have tried to go to the beach or something, because like I said, I don't mind going to the beach alone, but it's just something about Bill Street, you know, so, you know, people be down there, it's like bars and stuff, be around there drinking. I know there are other things to do in Memphis. However, I would like to have a companion going to like Memphis or New Orleans or something like that. The beach, yes, I can do that alone. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, tomorrow is the last day that I can cancel without forfeiting my money because I've already paid for it, all right? But I have until tomorrow, 6 p.m. to make up my mind about whether or not I'm going to go or who I'm going to go with. And I already know my sister has to work. See, that's the thing, you know, when you're planning a trip, you know, in the middle of the week. It's not the middle of the week, it's the weekend, but we were going to leave on Friday and come back on Sunday. Unfortunately, in order for him to go, I would have to change it to I would have to change it to Saturday, coming back Monday, but he has to go to work on Monday. So either way, it's going to be an inconvenience, and it's not going to be able to happen for him. And like I said, I'm just not trying to go alone. And like I said, my sister has to work. My niece has to work. I'm the only one that can work from my phone or work from my computer. So it's like I'm going to have to figure it out, or I'm going to have to go somewhere else, okay? But I want to go somewhere this weekend. I'm thinking I might end up rescheduling for another weekend or something and just go to the beach by myself. Because y'all know I haven't, if you are not following me on Facebook, go over there, okay? And follow me on the Facebook. And I apologize for this light. It's really early in the morning, so I'm having to, you know, it's the sun's coming up, girl. But I'm thinking about maybe pushing Memphis back or something, because I do want to go to Memphis. That's one of the places that I do want to go, girl. But I'm thinking about maybe going to the beach or something this weekend and going to Memphis another weekend or something. That way I can go to the beach alone. He felt kind of bad. He was like, I'm sorry, you know, but you know, you can't just, that's your job, you know, at the end of the day. I know you want to go on vacation. I know you want to do something fun, but at the end of the day, you know, if your boss tell you you got to come to work, what you going to do? But come to work, okay? Or get your butt fired. And we not trying to do that, girl. We got bills up around them through these ports, okay? So, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be in Memphis this weekend because I don't want to go alone. But I might be at the beach, so you might be seeing a beach vlog from your girl, okay? You might be seeing a beach vlog from your girl, because Destin is not that far from here. Panama is not that far from here. So I might actually, you know, hop in a little hoorah, you know, and, you know, drive on up to Destin or Panama and just chill on the beach for the weekend. That's the beauty of being a travel agent. And that's the beauty of being an entrepreneur and working for yourself. But anyway, this weekend I had a really, really good weekend, which is why you guys didn't see me, because I was planning on going to Birmingham, but I did not know they were having Funk Fest in Birmingham. And I don't really like crowds. I think I told you guys this before. I get like really nervous and really jittery when I get around like a large crowd of people. And for some reason, I thought that it was going to be really, really busy and really like congested in Birmingham this weekend. But I don't know why I didn't think it's going to be in Legion Field. So it was going to be a lot further up from where I was going to be. But I still didn't go to Birmingham, but I went down to my mom's house and spent some time with her this weekend. We had a really, really good time. It's always a good time when I'm at my mom's house. I don't know what this guy's doing. It's really early in the morning and you making all that noise. I don't understand why people put those freaking loud pipes on their trucks and they wait right next to, they get next to a car and they want to like rev it up and stuff. That's annoying. Anyway, but it's always a good time when I'm with my mother. Like I said, I enjoy spending time with my mom. I cherish every moment that I have with her. And also for her birthday, I'm trying to figure out a way to tell her to request off work without sounding suspicious. Okay, I don't know, because she's already requested off for the weekend that I'm moving. I actually have to be out of this apartment on the 13th of August, so she's taking off the 10th and the 11th. I'm sorry, the 11th and the 12th to help me move out of that apartment. So she's already taken that off, but I'm like I said, her birthday is on August 18th, so I have to think of a way to get her to take off in maybe 2 or 3 days so I can actually take her back to the beach, because she enjoyed the beach so much and I really want to take her back to the beach. But again, I have to figure out a way to tell her to take off work without sounding suspicious. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's so annoying. One day I'm going to be able to tell my mama she ain't even got to go and clock in no more. One day the Lord is going to bless me to the point where my mama, she ain't going to have to go and clock into nobody's job. Never no more. And I mean that sincerely, for real. He gonna do that. I've already prayed about it. I done left it on the altar. And I'm leaning and I'm believing that one of these good old days, he's gonna make it to where my mother does not have to go and clock into nobody's job ever again. That is one of my main goals. Like I said, I have a 6 to a 12-month goal, and I am going to get there, okay? By any means necessary, all right? But again, you guys, for the whole Memphis thing, tell me, would you go by yourself? Like I said, I don't really think I need to be going down there by myself to no Memphis. I really don't. I do not think I need to be going to Memphis by myself. I don't think that's a good move. I just really don't think it's a good move. I mean, because people follow your patterns, and I want to go out and I want to explore and I want to do things. And y'all know I am paranoid as the hell, okay? Paranoid as the hell. People could be minding their business. I'm going to think they following me, girl, ready to decapitate me or something. And that ain't no way to be. I'm not going to be able to enjoy myself like that, looking over my shoulder every 2 minutes. I mean, if I were to have a man with me, or even a woman, okay, just another companion with me to like go and explore Bill, I would have, you know, it would have been more enjoyable. But again, I can't expect people to be able to jump up and move when I move, because I do work for myself. I can work from my phone or my computer, so I can't expect people who actually have brick and mortar jobs, people who work for other people, to be able to do the same exact thing. But what I am going to have to do is I'm going to have to get comfortable with going places by myself. That's definitely something I'm going to have to get comfortable with. And I am comfortable with it, certain locations, but Beale Street is just not one of them places that I'm trying to go by myself. It just ain't, okay? And plus, I was planning on maybe having me a little drink or two. I ain't had no drink in a million and 1 year, skirt. I'm lying. I had one when I was down there in Destin, Florida. Y'all already know that freaking drink that I had, girl, them Caprico, whatever the heck the name of it is, the sangria drink that everybody was getting from Publix that they said is the equivalent of the new Four Loko. And we all know, baby, them Four Lokos, they said that wasn't nothing but crack in a can. I remember I had one of them a long time ago when I was probably about, I don't know, I was probably about 24, 25, I forgot. But I was living in a studio apartment downtown. And I'll never forget, I had the great Four Loko. And baby, when I tell you I drunk that stuff, I don't remember who it was I called. I don't know if it was my mama or my sister. I don't remember who it was that I called, but I told them that I was scared. Y'all, I was scared, okay? I was literally scared as crap because I had drunk that thing. And for some reason, I just felt like I was floating. No lie. I mean, I was tore up from the floor up, almost made me throw up, okay? I was so freaking scared after I had drunk that Four Loko that I literally called them and I was like, I'm scared. Somebody needs to come over here and sit with me or something, because girl, at this point, I don't know, okay? I don't know if I'm going to go to sleep and not wake up. That's how scared I was. That was the first and the last time that I ever in my life drunk a Four Loko. As a matter of fact, I think when I had drunk it, I posted it on my Facebook page, my personal Facebook page. I think I had posted it on my Facebook page and told somebody to come to my, I don't remember. It was so long ago, but it was like a whole thing. It was a whole dramatic thing where I literally thought I was going to die. and that Caprico or Caprico, however you pronounce it, the thing you get from Walmart, okay? Not Walmart, Publix. I'll pop a little picture of it right here. Don't drink those, okay? Do not drink those things. I don't care if you are a hardcore drinker. It really does not matter. Those things will literally, okay, when I tell you literally have you around here like 2 or 3 sips, you be drunk as a skunk, okay? There are people that I know that are like hardcore drinkers that really honestly and truly will tell you that they got messed up off of a half of one of those. And I only had a couple of sips, and I feel like I couldn't do nothing, okay? Just straight up inebriated, okay? All types of drunk as a skunk. So unless you're trying to really get drunk, I know some people said they just wanted to try it because they didn't believe that it was like that. It's like that, okay? Trust me when I tell you that it's like that, all right? Don't get one of those. But if you do want to try it, this is it right here. You can get it from Publix. They are kind of expensive. I think it was like $11 and some change for like 4. So they're very expensive. You can get like the little wine bottle one. I think that one's like $6 in Walgreens. Somebody said that they found that in Walgreens. I haven't looked in Walgreens, but I did see somebody post that on Facebook. But they are in Publix. Yeah, and they are calling them the equivalent of the new Four Loko. So try at your own risk. Like I said, they are kind of, yeah, cracking a can or cracking in a bottle, excuse me. But yeah, there are a couple of video ideas that I do have for the week coming up. I wanted to make this other kind of like easy way for you guys to make a little bit of extra money from your phone. There is this program called Level Rewards, where basically you download this app and you try out these free offers. You know how companies want you to try out different offers, whether it be for something like Gamefly or a credit check or something like that. They just want you to try out different offers. They are free trials. Some of them do cost like maybe $1 or something like that, but you can cancel them within a certain period of time. And everybody that you refer to this app to get to try out these rewards, you can earn anywhere from, you know, 5 to up to, I've seen some people, depending on what level they're on, earn up to $125 per referral. I'm thinking about making that video one day this week. I'm not 1,000% sure, because one thing, I like people to do things that don't cost them money. But I know this is one thing that's 100% legit, where you can load one of those prepaid cards. I think you can use prepaid cards. I haven't fully done my research on it, but I think you can use prepaid cards with it. And if you can, anybody can go and load $10 on a prepaid card and do some of these, you know, free offers and earn, you know, $15, $20 for every person that you refer. So I'm thinking about doing a review on that, but of course it'll have to be a whole review where I'm doing the little screen recording with my phone. It'll be a lot of editing and all that stuff. So if I do that, it'll be later on in the week. Also, my legitimate work at home job blog, I've been doing very well with that. I've been updating it every single day, if not every day, every other day. On the weekends, there's not a lot of companies that post job openings. So on the weekends, I'll pretty much put up a post on Friday, and that'll be the post for Friday and the weekend, unless there's something that pops up that is a great opportunity, that I know is a really great opportunity, that I'll post or I'll tell you guys about. I do that sometimes as well when it's, you know, on the weekend, but most likely it'll be on a Friday, the last day that I'll post, and the next day will be on Monday. So definitely go over and check my blog. I updated it yesterday, and I'm going to update it again this morning when I get back home. And that's pretty much it, you guys. But I just wanted to come and give you guys that update that I'm a little bit peeved and a little bit annoyed that they won't let the Juice Man off work this weekend to go with me to Memphis, and which is another reason why I need some good girlfriends. Okay, I need some good girlfriends. But at the end of the day, most people have regular jobs. I'm the only one that can work from my phone or my computer. Not the only one, but the only one in my immediate area. Everybody else is like tied down to other people's jobs, you know, which is, I'm gonna have to, when I tell y'all, I'm literally trying to introduce everybody to this travel agent thing, because girl, it is, oh my God. Shout out to those of you who are already joined on as travel agents, who are already benefiting from the amazingness that comes with being a freaking travel agent, you guys. Oh my God. There's this one young lady, I don't want to call your name. Well, I guess I can't call your name, Christy, but she was like, you know, she just became a travel agent. I think it was over about, Christy, I don't know if Christy does watch my channel. I don't know if it's been a week or 2 weeks, but she said her husband now that she's a travel agent, he's like, you know, what's the catch? You know, is it too good to be true? And I'm like, I said, no, tell hubby it ain't too good to be true. She said they've been spending so much money on vacations, and now that she's a travel agent and she sees all of the amazing places that she can go for way less than they were paying. I mean, it's just her husband. He was like, what's the catch? Okay. And I was like, tell hubby ain't no catch. You are with a very, 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 very amazing group of people now that's going to really take care of you when it comes to traveling and all that good stuff. So, I mean, I can literally go somewhere right now and grab me a hotel, freaking, you know, almost 5-star hotel for under $100. Okay. I found hotels, and like I said, I'm not supposed to be putting this out there, but I ain't putting too much out there, but I found hotels that were almost $500 for under $100. Travel agent discount. Okay. And again, there are other things, you know, there are discounts for people who aren't travel agents. However, you're not going to find a hotel for under $100 that's non-travel agent that's normally over $400. You just not. Okay. I've even found some for like $49. Let me stop putting my business all out there in the streets. But look, it is what it is. God is good all the time. God is great all the time. And shout out to those of you who have already joined on as travel agents and who are already seeing the amazingness that comes with being an agent. And also, if you want more information on being a travel agent, hit me up on the Facebook. My link is always down in the description box. I told y'all, come over there and add me, okay? Come over there and add me on the book. Matter of fact, I think I'm probably going to do another giveaway today because I'm just feeling giveaway-y. I don't know what I'm going to give. I don't know if I'm going to give away a trip to Mexico, or I'm going to give away another cruise, or Vegas, or if I'm going to give away a 2, 3, or 4-night hotel stay. Who knows? But come over to the Facebook if you want to get in on the giveaway. It could be any time today. Don't know. Whenever I'm feeling froggy. But I love you guys. Let me know if you would go to Memphis alone. I know you probably wouldn't, especially being a woman. A man, I could see a man going to Memphis alone. But as a female, would you go to Memphis by yourself? Like I said, I'm a little too paranoid to do something like that, I think. Leave me a comment down in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, family.